Obaseki hailed Aghedo as dem make am Archbishop. Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki don congratulate Archbishop Fred Aghedo as dem make am Archbishop. Im describe am as person wey believe and go always stand by the truth. Obaseki wey go the Consecration ceremony for Gospel Defender Ministries International Incorporated say Archbishop Aghedo na supporter of im administration wey no dey expect anything in return.
For me this afternoon is a very, very brief comment, which is to say we have every reason to thank God Almighty. To thank Him for bringing us here, to thank Him for the life of His servant, Archbishop Aghedo. The first time I came here was when we were campaigning, and I can never forget the way we rallied the congregation and the clergy to support us. He came out, he stood out in the face of all opposition. Because he is a man of truth and he believes in the truth. I personally know all the attacks that came on him. We did not give you one cover. But he stood and said, as far as you are concerned, this is the direction we have to go. It was not difficult for me at all to put aside most of the pressing things I had to do, the sharp retreat, to come here this morning, to come and worship with you, to come and congratulate you, and pray that God Almighty will continue to use you as His servant. Congratulations.
When Apostle Trinity Oga dey preach, he say God dey look for man wey Him wan appoint for a work. He say make the congregation join voice to pray for the Archbishop for the new assignment wey God don give am.
God forbid that I am a bishop because I'm a bishop I become God. God forbid that I'm a bishop. As I'm a bishop, I'm no longer interested in my people. My people can no longer assess me. I resign from a pastor because I have a throne called a bishop. Child of God, if you are such a person that because of a car, because of a castle, because of a crucifix, God can no longer use you, then God's anointing is not upon your life. Hear me and hear me very well. If God must find you worthy, irrespective of your pedigree in life, you are still humble as a servant. That was the demonstration we saw here. If you must be an archbishop, first be a servant. Lying on the ground. Am I talking to somebody here? A servant is not interested in provision. He is interested in the vision. A servant is not interested in the people's hand. He is interested in their heart. Am I talking to somebody? We live in a generation where servants are few. If you are no longer interested in the life of the people, as a pastor, what happens to your member? You are no longer interested. You are no longer a servant. As a governor, as a commissioner, if you are not interested in the welfare of your state, you are no longer a servant. You are only a person carrying a title, a mantle. Carrying a title without a mantle. You are an archbishop, but there's no oil. You are a bishop, but there's no oil. You are His Excellency, but there's nothing excellent about you. Am I talking to somebody?
The celebrant Archbishop Fred Aghedo come thank the governor as in show face for the occasion. Say true na better friend him be.
My governor, listen sir, you are not ending up your political career with governorship. You are going higher than this. Like Ruth said, where you go, I'll go. Your God will be my God. Your people will be my people. Keep this word, that this is what Aghedo have said. I am not the best, I'm not too good. I'm not telling you for political reasons. I'm telling you because of your sincere heart. I would have actually feel too bad today because I know if they have announced, oh, Aghedo have slept, as TB Joshua have slept, we will be here to tell my wife and children sorry. So I waited. Now I see that you are a true friend, not the one that come to celebrate me and give all the comments after death. Now you are a friend in need. I will stand, I will not turn back. I don't easily make friends, but when I make friends, I make them my friend. Get prepared for a higher height. you will see what will happen. Nations will turn, things will turn, but it will turn in your favor. In Jesus' name.
The Ogbonge people wey tanda for the occasion are Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki, Chief of Staff to the Governor Honorable Saigbovo Iyoa, other government functionaries, Archbishop Julius Ederi, among others. This one na the Ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una on top the koko for today. My name na Chidima Anichuku from Benin.